Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So the time is here, September 17th, 2023. The year 2023 adds up to 7. 7 is a number for introspection, truth seeking, and searching for answers within and finding peace. And so I hope that you guys are making time to be alone and start getting comfortable being alone and not distracted by company, materialistic things, and things that really are keeping you from diving in deep and getting to know yourself better as a unique individual with a unique purpose in life. 2023 life path number 7. That's the year that we're in. Number 7. That's what that adds up to. So today we're going to be selecting the Snappic winner. Of course, it's time. And so the winner will be getting a full 30 days of the Enterprise Pro. That includes the video effects for their photo booth business. So I wish everyone luck. And at the same time, I want to congratulate everyone who participated. So as you guys can see right here on my screen, all you had to do was go and hit the like button on this video and hashtag Snappic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call out 3 names, and we're going to do a random select. It's called the YouTube Random Comment Picker. So I'm going to use that tool, and we're going to select 3 names, and out of those 3 names, the first person who replies to through Gmail, you'll be the winner. So I guess this video, in a sense, is also sponsored by Snappic, because Snappic is going to be providing that membership, that subscription for a full 30 days. But let's make things a lot more interesting, because I like surprising you guys. I like being spontaneous. That's just who I am at heart. So let me match Snappic, just because I really love their service. I love the team, and the features are amazing. So I'm gonna match Snappic, meaning we're gonna go ahead and step it up and select a total of 2 winners. So I'm gonna take money out of my YouTube channel and pay for your 30-day subscription, also Enterprise Pro. So we're gonna call out 3 names, but only select 2 winners. Those 3 people that get called out, please, whoever emails me first, the first 2, will be the ones using that subscription for the upcoming 30 days, guys. All you need to do is sign up for Snappic and then send me your username and email you used to sign up for Snappic, so that we can send you that license, which you guys will be able to use the software for a full 30 days. All right, so let's go ahead and look into my screen here and follow the instructions. So it says YouTube Random Comment Picker, and what it wants me to do is it wants me to put the HTML or URL of this particular video right here. So that's what I did. I'll grab it right here, I'll copy, I'll come over and I'll paste it, and then I'll hit fetch. It says select a filter you would like to use. So then I would have to go to keyword filter, and then the keyword is going to be Snappic. Okay, and I'm going to hit continue, and let's select the winners. I feel good. I feel a little nervous for you guys, but I feel good. So remember, guys, we're gonna select 3 names, and out of those 3 names, there'll be 2 winners. Whoever replies through email, that's gonna be the email, by the way, is canarycapitalrentals@gmail.com. Here we go. Continue. All right, we're gonna pick a winner here. All right, Fiona Woodsey, you are the bomb. So Fiona, try to reply as soon as you see this. All right, let's go ahead and select another 2 names. Live Action TV, way to go. So email me as fast as possible, and let's select one last name here. Armando Gomez, hit me up. So congratulations to the 3 of you guys. Out of the 3, the first 2 of you who emails me first will get that 30-day Snappic subscription. And I hope this helps you guys with your photo booth rental business. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like this video, because I'll be selecting more winners this upcoming month. I'm always giving stuff away, and no one else is doing this in the photo booth industry as far as the YouTube platform goes. So I really hope that I can get you guys support by hitting the like button. All right, Take care. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.